Hi everyone, Happy New Year! My thanks to everyone who's followed my channel in 2023, and it has grown quite a bit, but I am a little way away from being monetized. As you may imagine, all the supplies that I use, the tools and the resin itself and all the molds and everything, it all costs money. I'm not looking to make a fortune, just to help me out with a few of the items. So I have decided to make a Patreon page. If you feel you can support the work I do on my channel, why not pop over to patreon.com/Poffles Creations to find out how you can get involved. And you can hugely support my channel on YouTube for free by subscribing, hitting the like button. Won't cost you a penny, and it's just a simple mouse click away. And look what Santa brought me, because I've been a good girl. I have wanted one of these forever. It is, I don't know if you can see it in there. Oh yeah, it's on the front. The Cricut Joy Extra. And I am so excited. So I'm going to use this to enhance some of the resin projects I do. When I master it, get it all set up on the internet, I will probably make some little cards and little things. But anyway, unboxing. So first of all, you get this on top. We'll unravel that later. I did slit the top to make it easier. The beastie itself, and it is surprisingly heavy, I must say. It's very solid. Right. You get a pen, black pen, cable, power pack charger, little picky thing. In the little package, you get your instructions, other bits of blurb, warranty, getting started, and you get some bits of vinyl to play with. So you get a white one, a couple of black ones, oh, a nice gold one. And yeah, this is the transfer tape. So all the mysteries of the Cricut I will have to figure out at some point, but I'm gonna have fun. And as I say, I've wanted one of these for a long time. Let's get to this. This is how I break my fingernails. Using them as a knife. Nicely protected. Oh, nicely wrapped up. There you go, freedom. Okay. And on the back, you've got these two little blue. Oh, I see, they're holding in some foamy stuff. I guess we need to take that out. Oh, it's only tiny. Okie dokie. This one. Oh, as I said, this is surprisingly heavy. Now, I'm not going to set it up here. I'm just showing you the unboxing. But can we do the front? Yes. So this is where all the fun begins. Oh, and it's got a little bit of a thingy there. Oh, yes. Blade. I can't wait to get started with this. I'm so excited. And this was bought for me by a new friend who watches my channel. So thank you very much, Debbie. I appreciate that, and I'm just stunned at the generosity. I asked her how she knew that this was on my Amazon wish list, and she said when she watched my reverse painting tutorial, she noticed that I was curing my project on both sides because I was doing a tattoo, so I was curing it on both sides for the UV resin, which, let's face it, it is inefficient. But with this, if your mold is transparent, the light will go top and bottom, so it'll cut down on the time. Plus it's a fun toy. So you get your manual. This is the little tray that slides between the two halves. It's got a protective film on both sides. I'm not going to take that off. And here are the actual units. They're identical. Okay. Power supply. Put you down there. Okay. Now this is where the magic happens. On these, as I say, they're both identical. They've got a timer on the top of each. It goes for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. And this is where it's magic. These little rollers on the side, you roll them out. These are pointy and these are flat. In order for it to work, you need to have opposing contacts. So, pointy, flat, pointy, flat. And then they go together. Like so. Take this plastic off. Love new toys. Okay. Alright. The other good thing about this is you can plug it in at the bottom, or you can plug it in at the top, or you can use them as individual lamps. I think that's really cool. So you can plug it in at the bottom and then do time. Goes both of them. So that's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes off. Or you could plug it in at the top and you get a little red light that comes on. I don't know if you can see that. And you do 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes and off. Now I'm not going to take this off because I'm not going to use it yet. I want to keep it clean. There's a little shelf here and it's on the one above as well. So you take your tray, you put it, let's see if I can do this, forward. In the notches below the rollers. So you've got all your nice little resin project on there. And then you do 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or off. But look at that. Fantastic. So once again, thank you, Debbie. I appreciate this and I will be using it probably in reverse painting tutorials, but for other things as well. It's a neat little toy. As always, thanks very much for watching. Have a great week and I will see you here with my first project of 2024.